Give your hands to serve and your hearts to love. Good morning, my dear students and viewers. It's me, Pavitra Pokhrel, your English teacher of class 8. And this program is brought to you by Bharatpur Metro Pepsin Chitwan. And today we are going to learn CV writing. So what is CV writing? CV writing is curriculum vitae. The full form of CV is curriculum vitae. What the meaning of CV? Have you ever heard this word, or do you know? Have you written a CV in your life? And do you know why we write, why we prepare, and for what purpose we do this? Okay, let's go. CV is a summary of a person, personal details, educational background, professional experience for a particular job. Children, when you passed your graduation or master and you think that you need a job, and to get the job we prepare CV. And CV is a Latin word. So how to write this? We will see in detail in your at the slide. You have to see at the slide later, but before that something I want to tell you all. Why we prepared this? While we apply for our job, and with application we give this curriculum vitae also. And there are many varieties of CV, children, but we will learn today according to your level, and I have taken from your text. There are 3 CV I have taken from your text, and we will go according to your level. So children, once again I am telling all, in CV we have to mention our details, and usually we also say biodata, resume, but still there are some differences between CV, biodata and resume. But let us not go in detail about that. Today I am talking only about CV. So please look at the slide, please. Okay, writing CV. While applying for a job, one needs to submit his/her curriculum vitae along with the application. A CV is a summary of a person, personal details, educational background and professional experience for a particular job. Have you ever seen such a CV? So children, and why we write this CV is that the person or the boss of the institute or organization will go through our CV. He will read about us in the CV, and if he thinks that we are capable in this job, he or she may give us a job, children. So here now you have the examples how to write CV, children. Let's begin. First you have to write name, children. Okay, we have to write name. So here I haven't written, but there must be a name, and then personal details. So here you imagine any one of the name, children. Okay, Now personal details is, first you have to write date of birth, okay, and here the date is 28/10/1986. Children, this date of birth is in English, children. If you are applying this curriculum vitae in abroad, out of country, at that time you have to use your English calendar, children. And no matter if you are applying in Nepal, within Nepal we can write our Nepali according to our Nepali calendar. In Nepali calendar, first we write year, then months, and then the date. But in English we write first date, month, and then year. Now next you have to write address, children, where you live. That here, so it is written Rupa Code 3 Tanu. Children, let us write one of the names, imagine that name, okay, like Sita, okay. Now Sita's address is Rupa Code 3 Tanu, and her phone number is 0166922402. Then you have to write your mobile number, children, 98492333462. This is Sita's mobile number, children. Now again you have to write your emails, children, okay. Sita Acharya, okay, Acharya Rajini, okay, children, her name is actually I have got it here, Rajini Acharya, okay. So here name I have not written, but her name is Rajini Acharya. So her email address also she has kept in her name, children, okay. Acharya Rajini yahoo.com. Next, slide. Slide, please. Slide, please. So children, so you have to write your date of birth, okay, your address, your email address, okay. Now and then you have to write biodata of your education, okay. When in biodata of education means when you passed your SEE, okay, when you passed your inter, okay, when you passed your graduation, this all things you have to write. So in so here what you have to first you have to write date of birth, address, phone, mobile, and email. So next is you have to write your work experience, like work experience before where you worked, okay, how you worked. Like here her experience is 1998 to 2000 working as a primary English teacher, okay. And we have to mention about her interest also, playing, singing, and reading. And you have to write your additional information also, like I have taken, she has written here that I have taken 3 different types of ELT trainings, okay. She has taken ELT trainings also. And reference, children, what is the meaning of reference? Reference we write if our boss of the institute or a company wants to know more about us in detail. So he or she will contact with such person. so that he can know the about you more. So, in reference she has given her name IP Singh Mahendra Ratna campus, okay, and he is from Kathmandu, okay, and sorry, okay, and once just a minute children, okay, okay, now let's come to another slide children, okay. It is about your personal detail children, okay. This is about your personal detail, and here you have to write your classes, in which year you passed your class, and in institution in which school you studied, and in class 1 which division you got. Likewise, you have to write your year, in which year you passed your class 2, okay. In year you have to write, and in institution you have to write your school name, and in division what you got, in which division you passed. Likewise, let us come to in class 3, in which year you passed your class class 2, and then you will write your school name, and then you will write your division children. And this is how we will keep on writing till 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now you all are in class 8. Okay. So, I like to go with another CV children. Now, complete the following skeleton of the CV using the information below. Here another CV we have, that is name is Manjila Gupta, okay. Her name is Manjila Gupta. This is the CV of Manjila Gupta children. So, as I told you, first what we have to write, name, then what we have to write, personal details, and then what we have to write, address, then what we have to write, phone, mobile, email, profile. So, let us see, this is actually in your text we have to complete. So, let us see, okay. Name is Manjila Gupta, personal detail is date of birth is 26/05/1977, address is Geeta Nagar Chitwan, phone is 056524549, mobile is 98450513995, email is gupta@hotmail.com, profile enthusiastic graduate with practical experience of working. Profile means what she has done. She has done enthusiastic graduate with the practical experience of working in a school. Okay, she works in school. Before she worked in a school children. Okay, now experience. Okay, September 2010, August 2012. As a cashier, Rashtriya Bank, Banijya Bank, June 2009 to August 2010. So, her interest. So, what she has written in interest, dancing, travelling, conducting, and research is her interest children. And additional information is, I have conducted researches on the area of poverty in Nepal. I have taken different types of banking. This is her information children. Okay. Now, reference. Okay. As I told, in reference we have to give such people name who knows you very well, so that the boss or the leader of that company or institute organization may go through it very well, and it will easy for him or her to select for the post. So, in reference she has given the name Dr. Chandra Upreti, okay, and he is from Tribhuvan University, okay, Faculty of Management, Nepal Commerce Campus, okay, and another name is Prem Bahadur Khadka, Manager in Rashtra Banijya Bank from Kathmandu. So, here we have learned 2 CV writing, children, and do not forget that in CV you all have to write all your information in detail. So, this is what the CV writing. And children, as I told you, there are varieties of CV, but we are going according to your level and it is from your text. Okay, children. So, once again I will like to say you what should be mentioned in the CV, children: name, personal details. In personal details, you have to write your date of birth, address, phone, mobile, email, okay, and then your education biodata, okay, in which year you completed your SLC. Nowadays we say SEE, okay, then in which year you completed your plus 2, okay, 10 plus 2, and in which year you have done your graduation, BBS, okay. In this way you have to write your CV, and then more additional information also you have to keep, like experience, okay. Whatever experience you have to write, and you have to write your interest also, children, and additional information and reference. This all are the components of CV writing, children. So, do not forget this all. This is the very essential while preparing the CV. So, I hope you all have understood about the CV, and there was a little bit problem to show the slide, children, and so, but I will tell you again the orally, you will not confused. Go through in your text, it is there all the CV whatever I have taught, and it will be easy for you all to understand. And as I told you that CV for what purpose we apply? We apply for a job. To get the job we apply CV, and according to English calendar, if you want to apply abroad, we have to write our date of birth in English. And if we are in Nepal and if we are applying in our Nepal, then it is okay, you can apply according to our Nepali calendar. So, children, do not forget that in CV you have to mention your name, your date of birth, your address, your mobile number, your email, work experience, your interest, reference. So, all these things should be mentioned. They are the components of CV, and they have also given in your text to prepare your CV from 1 to 7. Now you are in class 8, okay. So, in class 1, when you were in class 1, which year you passed the class 1, okay, from which school and in which division, and then you have to write class 2 year, in which year you passed, from which school you passed, and in which division you passed. So, this is how you will continue a CV, and I hope, children, you all have understood how to write CV. So, it is a time to say goodbye. We will meet you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Take care. Have a nice day.